What's going on, guys? Gjon here. I know it's a different video. I'm recording from my iPhone because I wanted to show you a cool trick on Apple Music if you have it. But first and foremost, I hope everybody's being extra cautious and extra safe and having extra faith during this dark time of the coronavirus spreading throughout the world. I hope everybody's staying at home, being very clean, and just praying to God that this will go away, which it will, but just have strong faith and be there for one another. Anyways, as you know, Apple Music has like a plain background, with a light color background or dark color background, whatever your preferences are for your iPhone. And so to do this glitch, you have to get a song like this. See, I'm gonna press the lyric button, and it's gonna go back to normal. So what I'm gonna do is, since this song has no lyrics for whatever reason, I'm gonna go to, like, say for instance, this song, press pause, it has lyrics, right? So as you notice, it has like a color black background. You go through the lyrics. What I'm gonna do is go back to that song that has no lyrics, press it, and look, it has background color. Now I'm gonna do this one more time. Lyric button on the song that has no lyrics. See how there's just a plain background. Then go to the song that has lyrics. Press the lyrics, slide down, go back to that song that has no lyrics. Boom. That's really cool if you ask me. If you're just vibing, chilling out, listening to music, you just want to have the player going on and just have a cool color background or whatever you want. So thank you guys so much for watching. I thought that was really cool to share with everybody. And again, please be safe and be extra cautious and have extra faith. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.